Here it goes. See me, not my disability. My disability is very important. But why do people always criticise me? Because it doesn't matter who I am. Okay, you want to see my culture, see my skin, but some people might judge it. Look at me, look at my face, don't even judge it. Yo, some people understand where I'm coming from, where I understand. Some people don't know where I'm from, but I know where I'm from. I know I'm going, I know I want to end up, well, I want to be on the stage one day, so that's crossed my fingers. But I hope everyone's enjoying this. I hope everyone's enjoying it. Yo, I'm a very important person. VIP, yes, I'm a very important person, but everyone's partying, everyone's dancing, everyone's singing, everyone gets to know each other. But the first time I came here, I don't know no one, but it doesn't matter. See me, not my disability. My disability is very important. Yo, it's very important. Yo, see me, not my disability. Yo, I'm just a boy who's just walking around, but I'm not a boy, I'm a man. But some people look at me, I'm just like a little 7-digit guy, but really I've got feelings. No, don't understand where I'm coming from. But what's that? Why some people always criticise me when I'm coming? Yo, just I'm an able person. Yo, I like music, I do DJing, I do mixing, I do whatever I do in my life. But just mobility, what physical I am, I've got many mobility in my life. So I can walk around, okay, some people can't even walk around, just matter what they are. But yeah, disability is very important. You just look at the face, just matter, don't even judge them. You can think it but don't even go there. But go with me, friend, you know what it is. When you see my face, I'm a very important person, I'm a talented guy. Yeah, I like too many attentions, some attention seeking. No, I'm a person on the microphone. You don't want a microphone. No one understands where I'm coming from because I know who I am. But every time when I look at myself in the mirror, I don't know who's the very important person. But when I keep myself, I keep my side to myself. I'm like, I am quite a guy who likes meeting with other people, but people is very important also, but everyone's important to me. Everyone's important. Everyone's got the key in their life. Everyone's got an important thing in their life. Yo, I've got somebody who is gone, but he's still around, but it's in my head. But when I listen to my own voice, it's not me, I'm talking to somebody else. I've got an angel who's looking at me. I've got disabilities still, and got many barriers still in my life. I've got many barriers in my personal life. Okay, I can say other things, but no, not there. Because the word of confidential. Can't say nothing more than confidential. No names, I don't say no names because it's just my disability, who I am. Okay, I might be a person who's hidden behind the microphone. He's not a rapper, he's a good rapper on the microphone. 1, 2, 3, I still check with no one. I got the key, I must be security man, but it's still disability. Doesn't matter what you are, doesn't matter who faith, what culture you are, but it's whatever culture you are, doesn't matter who you are. Yo, here I go. This is me. It's me. No one. It's not me. It's not another you. You're your own person. You're oneself. Everyone's got one life in the game, and you don't have to judge the life in this expert. Everyone's got one life, not 2, not 3, not 4, but just one life you've got. Just live it. Just live your life. Just live how you are. Just keep yourself elevated. Get yourself an ability, get yourself a disability, but the disability don't come off a shelf. You can't pick it, you can't choose it. You can't pick it when you're a kid, and you can't even choose your mum or dad, but it comes just naturally. Life is just naturally. Disability is not naturally, but disability it is naturally. You can be born with it. You can go in many actions, you can deal with it. I've got many friends, the rest of man who keep my on my side, but I know what it's been me, so I still have a disability. No one is there, but you understand where I come in. Yo, this is me. No one's not me, but this is my disability, my ability. I've got many mobilities. When I look in my face, when I look in the mirror, there's no one there. Okay, so I've got somebody who's 6 feet under, my uncle, my nan, my auntie, but my nan's still alive, but I know whose life is still great. It's still great up to the morning where it's grand, it's dark, it's grand. Life is great, life is grand. Yo, doesn't matter who I am. I might be a very important person, but I still who I know who I am.
Yeah.